We are pleased to show you the 2017 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.